Hello everyone, Paul Rogers here. Today is January the 15th, 2018, and the market is crashing. We've got double-digit correction happening as we speak. Most of this comes because of increased regulation and scrutiny from central banking and regulatory bodies. I think the one that's triggering this sell-off is happening in France, from what I've been able to gather. In the last couple days, though, I've made a lot of recommendations to people that Ethereum would head to 1500, that Lend tokens were a steal at 28 cents, and generally speaking, I've been rather bullish on the cryptocurrency market. Well, folks, I may have been wrong. I may have been very wrong. And what we're noticing right here, this is Ethereum to US dollar 4 hour. And it appeared that price, we were inside the trend channel, and it appeared that price would continue to move upwards. But I think just the amount of FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, the amount of I feel like everyone that has power and that has control of money and makes decisions is ganging up and trying to beat cryptocurrencies into a pulp, trying to beat it down, beat it out of existence. Well, from a technical standpoint, if this candle does, I'd say, close below $1,200, there's a pretty good chance that Ethereum could have a nice large pullback. And I'm talking about heading all the way down to 1,000, possibly down to the really strong support, which would be at 844 or so. 845. Those are both possible, either 1,000 or 845, 850-ish. I hope that's not the case. I know that's a great opportunity for certain people to buy in, but seeing the price go down by 50% from its all-time high, wouldn't make me very happy. But if we look at this thing, even if price did retrace all the way back to $850 or so, we'd still be maintaining the uptrend. Generally speaking, we have to realize that in November, Ethereum was what, $300, $400. So we've gone from $300 to $1,400. And if we go back to $850, it is not the end of the world. It is crypto. These things happen. So think long term, buy and hold. That is the way to go. Dash, I was telling everyone, this is a video about me being wrong, I guess, because I did tell people Dash would be a great buy at 900. That still could be true, but it looks like Dash is going to be breaking out and probably heading towards 650, assuming that Ethereum heads lower to 1,000. If Ethereum goes to 1,000, Dash will most likely beat 650. Bitcoin does look like it's breaking this S2, which was a very strong support. If it does maintain this candle, I would expect Bitcoin to head all the way down to best case scenario would be around probably 11,700, but it's entirely possible for it to go around 8,500. Just to let you know, I have kids around because I'm making this video unprompted. Just because I know that the market is crashing and you guys do deserve an update. So yeah, there's Dash. Dash is heading lower. It looks like Dash. I would love to buy more Dash at 650 personally. And Ethereum at 845 is great too. And Bitcoin at 8,600 would be amazing. So that's the bright side of this. The downside is nobody likes seeing these big long candles heading lower. So it's possible that by tomorrow it will look something like this. See these big shadows right here? Price goes down, a whole bunch of buyers step in and prop up the price. It's possible, but this time for some reason it feels a little bit different. it feels like we actually may have a significant pullback. Not a crypto is dead pullback. We've had many of those, and guess what? It never dies. But we could be looking at a significant pullback, and that's just part of it. You know, you make runs, then you make, you know, it pulls back, and this has happened so many times in the last couple of years. Have a strong hand. Be confident in what cryptos are about, what they have to offer to the world and to the individual. You know, right now, governments and those controlling the money supply and the financial system have so much control over us individuals. This is a revolution. It is a monetary, and it's a revolution of I mean, it's freedom. It's a libertarian movement, really. I mean, it's a movement about freedom. Your freedom, my freedom. And just because bankers are going to say bad things about it and regulatory bodies are going to threaten to do this and that, doesn't mean it's going to go away. So anyhow, I just want to make this really quick video. And before I stop, I should also mention that Lend is taking this, having a really tough day too. I made a video, I think it was just 24 or 48 hours ago, saying that the Lend tokens were an excellent buy, I think around 28 cents. And I think Lend tokens are around 17 cents right now. So my bad on that one, guys, my bad. I did buy, I put my money where my mouth was, and I bought some Lend tokens. I really believe in the project long term. So if you bought Lend tokens at 28 cents, do not feel bad, because when the market turns back around, you can guarantee that Lend tokens will have a really nice recovery. So, but I did want to admit that I was off on Lend in my last video. Anyhow, can't get them all right. Paul Rogers out.